But the big headline at this moment, Rhea Chakrabarti, the actor, was arrested, is likely to be sent to judicial custody. Hearing is on in the National Control Bureau, Narcotics Control Bureau's office. Judicial remand has been sought. NCB wants 14 days custody. NCB wants 14 days judicial custody. Rhea's lawyers are saying she should get bail, maintaining she never used drugs. So Rhea's lawyer is pressing for bail even as the Narcotics Bureau is seeking 14 days custody. Let's go straight across to Divesh Singh, our correspondent who joins me at the moment. Divesh, we are told that this has been going through video conference, is where the judge is listening to both sides. NCB wants 14 days judicial custody. Rhea's lawyer wants bail. I have the remand notice with me here. It doesn't at any stage suggest consumption, but it said she was part of a drug syndicate even while providing no evidence of the same. I want to understand on what basis is the NCB then wanting 14-day judicial custody in this case?
2 points, Rajdeep. First one being Rhea Chakrabarti has been charged with procurement and facilitating drugs through the house staff, through her brother, for Sushant Singh Rajput. Second point, she has been named as a part of a drug syndicate. So, not providing any kind of defense, but for each and every person who has been arrested in this case, we've seen all the remand copies. Each and every person is mentioned as part of a drug syndicate. Dipesh Sawant, who was a house help, he on instructions of Rhea Chakrabarti and Sushant Singh Rajput, went to collect drugs, received drugs from a peddler and brought it back to Sushant's residence. He has been called part of a drug syndicate.
If a cook goes and collects
Samuel
drugs
Miranda,
for his boss, he becomes part of a drug syndicate? Is that what the NCB is saying?
Yeah, that is what the NCB claims right now. But each and every remand that they've submitted, including those of the drug peddlers who are actually part of the drug syndicate, meanwhile, all the accused arrested, Samuel Miranda is a house manager, Dipesh Sawant is a house boy, while Rhea Chakrabarti is an actress, and all of them, the same line has been mentioned as the closure, as the remand copy ends. The same sentence.
No, but in the others, Divesh, they asked for 4 days. No, in the others they asked for 4 days remand. Now they're asking for 14 days for Rhea. They asked for 4 days in the case of Samuel Miranda and the others who were accused, but they want 14 days for Rhea. Am I correct?
They've asked for 14 days judicial custody. Usually whenever you ask for judicial custody for an accused, it is the period mentioned is 14 days. They've not asked for a period. Right. They've asked for a judicial custody to be granted. That she be sent to jail. They do not want her to keep in custody. If there was some more information that they felt like that would come out of her, they themselves claimed yesterday, speaking to us, that Rhea has been very cooperative. She's cooperating with the investigation. And now they substantiated it again today while talking to us, right. Talking to media personnel, NCB's Deputy Director General M.A. Jain said that we've received all the information that was to come from Rhea Chakrabarti. We have confronted her, so we do not want her custody, we do not want her in NCB's remand, but we want her to go to judicial custody. That is what they've sought. Now once the bail is filed, they are going to oppose that bail filed by Satish Manishinde, who is Rhea's lawyer, citing that she might try to tamper evidence, she might try to influence witnesses. That is what has been told to us. But the role here is the same that Rhea has maintained. She was procuring drugs, facilitating it for Sushant Singh Rajput, and that is what she had told NCB. That is what India Today had reported earlier, that there is no confession regarding anything, there is no consumption at all.
Okay, Divesh Singh giving us the latest updates. We'll of course keep updating you with that. Let's turn there.